How do you write about something you've never seen? This is the dilemma I faced when I wrote this poem. And before I start, there are 2 words that I use in this poem of the Uyghur language, so I want you to remember these as I read the poem. The first word that will show up is going to be buva. Buva means grandpa. And the second word is going to be uy, meaning home. And the title of this poem is Uy, home. The heart of Silk Road, your threads left in history, strength of silk, flow back. Flowing like water, you give, never given. Taken, please come back. Yesterday's courage, we need now more than ever. I believe in you. Pomegranate-stained roads pay for the freedom in our East Turkestan, so that the children grow among grapes and roses in my buva's yard. They left for my life. How come I want to go back? I lay on my back, dreaming and praying for the sake of you and them. Will this pain go back? Go back, bring me back to the rose bush named after me. I want my uy back.